They say for Anambra State, Operation Ga-Achi, what I know the new security where Soludo bring come outside. They say the security now go carry person house, take do cell, take they put that is do cell. Oh God, for inside, see where they pull people for inside Anambra. Even people say don't they there more than 1 month plus. Then their mama, their papa no even know where they. This thing they happen for inside Anambra State. This our brother wey they call Harrison don't come outside come condemn this thing and also review that for the kidnap wey dey happen for inside Delta State. He say none of them is from Delta State or any part of Igbo land, that this is all Fulani. He say that they catch them, that they buy them. Even Hausa people wey dey police wey dey follow them say these people no be Hausa, they be Fulani people. My people, we go play the video, the 2 videos more on our watch and see wetin dey happen as we dey talk.
Good morning, my name is Harrison. This is an emergency, all right? If you're watching this video, please help me and repost it and help me, to share it so the authority can be aware of what is going on in Anambra State, all right? Before I start, please watch this video. This is the office in Oka. This is AVG, so Anambra Vigilante Group. I think that's the name. It's a security outfit. It's not a police station. It's not a military base or owned by civil defense. This is just a vigilante group, security outfit, who are supposed to work with the police. But now, if you watch this building, by the side of the building, this is where they have the cell. They have up to 1, 2, 3 cells in this place. You see, if you go back, let's go back again. You will see that you have more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 cells by the side of the building. Now look at this man. Look at this man unhandcuffed in the cell. These people here have been here since January this year. January, nobody took them to court. Vigilante outfit. Look at them. Look at people. Look at people. Look at human beings. Look at them. These are people. Some of them, their families are looking for them. Look at them here. Look at them. This is just one of the cells. There are other cells, one by the right, another one again before this one. You understand? So, this video just watched now is from Anambra State, Ga-Achi, the vigilante, the security outfit set up by the government. All right. Do they have right to have a holding cell where they keep people for 4, 3 months, 5 months? Do they have the power? If they have the power, who give them the power? This security outfit are not supposed to be regulated, supervised by the police. What are the police doing? What is the Commissioner of Police Anambra State doing? That if a security outfit can have a cell and keep people for 5 months, 4 months, more than 150 persons are currently held in their facility without trial, without taking them to a competent court of jurisdiction. What is going on? Is the governor aware of this? Is the governor aware of what's going on? Is the military aware that this security outfit is holding people in the cell for months without trial? What's going on with us in this country? Should I talk about the people who died in the custody? That they moved away in the night to God knows where? A lot of every day they are missing people. Nobody knows where they are. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on with us in this country? Yes, thank you for your good job, Ga-Achi. But why not do the work? Follow the rule of law, the process. The process. Who gave you the right to own a holding cell where you keep people for months? Who gave you the right to have a cell where you keep people for months? They are in the cell suffering. There is no toilet facility. So once they go to toilet, they tie it in a nylon. They throw it out to the next compound. That same compound, they took people to court. I don't know how they did it. The government, the people got scared and they they all vanished. I've tried to reach out to the Commissioner of Police in Anambra State. I don't have his number to report this this thing going on to him. All right, and I just pray that this video will get to them. Is it legal for a security outfit, a vigilante, to have a holding cell where they keep people for months? You keep people in the holding cell for months. It becomes an issue. It becomes a serious issue for not just the people, also to the government and to the authorities. It becomes a serious issue. From our place, more than 40 to 50 victims kidnapped from the past 6 months till this very week. None of the victims have said that any of these kidnappers are from our place. They will tell you that they are Fulani. The Hausa man will tell you that these are Fulanis. They don't even hear some of the languages. Hausa man will tell you that I don't hear the language, that these are Fulani, they are not Hausa. So what it means is that there are strangers, there are foreigners in our communities. From record, they will tell you that from Niger, they will tell you that from some northern Nigeria. But these guys are armed with AK-47. Now, the consequences, if we don't tackle it now together, what is the consequences? You cannot be able to drive on the express because they will attack you. You can't drive to your house because they will hide in the bush and they will lay ambush, and then they will attack you, they will kidnap you for money. You can't go to the farm anymore because they will go to the farm where you are working to pick you up. There are records of farm owners who have been kidnapped in Delta State, in Anambra, Oshimili, and also in Ugili, in Jese and other areas in Delta State. It's on record. The police have the record. Now, in Delta State, there are people who own poultry farm, because poultry are situated right in the bush because of the order. Poultry farm workers have been kidnapped, ransom paid, collected. The real estate people who came into Delta to invest, to buy properties, to sell, to make money, to develop our communities. No real estate person today can comfortably drive into the bush without armed security. Why? Because of these guys who are in our forest. So why we are doing all these things is to ensure that these guys flee from our communities. Now, if as a stakeholder, as somebody from our area, you see all these things and you keep quiet, it may get to you because you cannot drive safely on our highways anymore. The time will come when they will see that the houses are secured, our communities are secured, they will not target the express. So when someone drives on our express, the person gets shot. By luck, person may survive it and they will kidnap that person for money. Now, the techniques these guys use to carry out the operation, both how they collect the ransom, the items they demand, everything, the same techniques they are using here is the same one they are using in Kogi State, they are using in Ondo State. So it means they are spread around the whole south and southeast. So what I'm saying today is, please, I'm begging you in the name of God, I beg you in the name of everything that you hold dear to your heart. If you see something, if you see any movement, if you cannot report to the police, to the military, to anybody, that you are scared to report, please, this number is my personal number. I put it out. Sometimes people reach out to me and it's not, maybe I will be at work or somewhere I cannot pick. Send me text message. Just go direct to the point. Don't say good morning, good afternoon. Just tell me this is what's going on. Put the location and say possibly add number. I will not be there directly because sometimes people want to do things. A lot of things have happened, but somebody will quickly get to you. Call Harrison. I am not a police officer. I'm not a military officer. I'm not a government appointee. So you can trust me 100% with anything you give to me. It will never leak out. I rather go down with it. 6 feet with your secret than reveal it to anybody. Because there's no way you are not seeing them. You see them pass through your farm. They come to buy things from your shop. They come to pay money through POS because they cannot go to the bank. No kidnapper can carry 10 million naira to the bank with this heat on ground. How do they carry this fund? It's through POS.
I'm not going anywhere. Then let him leave my door alone now. Leave my door alone.
My people, as una see am o, na so we see am. The things wey dey happen for inside southeast, for the whole southeast today, for whether delta side o, for southwest o, for middle, all na government hand dey inside. Just imagine ordinary security no fit catch person, dey carry am go police, and they just get set where they extort money from the youth. Things are happening. Even the leader of this Ga-Achi, remember a few days ago, the government go carry house down because in dey involved for kidnapping and the other crime wey dey involved. So how do you think there will be peace in those regions? And for those of you where they say Fulani no dey bush again, this guy, they don dey work for over how many years now, catching these people, rescuing the victim of those guys. You see am na in dey front, they tell you say see people wey dey see and see people wey dey catch. Abeg una share this video.